Hi guys, welcome back to my search for freedom. This is another video in the house. So you know that we moved. We moved from Kigali and then we are now in Bugesera. So because it's a new house and then I didn't find it with security cameras. So I decided to install some security cameras. I'm not going to show you the whole process, but maybe this video will serve as a tutorial for someone who buy video cameras and don't know or doesn't know how to install them. So it's pretty easy, straightforward actually. I will show you soon, but before that, remember if you are just discovered this channel. So my name is Pierre, and I am just looking for my freedom in the continent of Africa. So now, since 2023, we are exploring Rwanda and see what we can do in Rwanda. So, for those of you who watch our videos in the past, you saw that we were in West Africa, and then now we are back to Rwanda because I call Rwanda now base, back to base. So we moved. You saw in the previous video. For those of you who didn't see that previous video, you can go and check it out. So now I am going to show you quickly how to install or to set up your video cameras, security cameras. Sorry. What I did, because in Rwanda so far they don't have Amazon doesn't have delivery. I'm not sure if they have, but I had a friend who traveled to the United States. What I did, I ordered some security cameras from Amazon. So they came in a box. I'm going to show you. We have one camera here. I think I ordered four in the package. It's four of them. So they come with a solar panel to charge them. They come with a solar panel. So we have this is a box. I'm going to show you the box. This is a box. They were in this box. Maybe I should show you the name of it. free advertisement for Amazon. So they actually there were two in each box, two in this box and another box there were two. So altogether, I am going to show you on this chair now. I put four cameras. Oh, actually, I already pre-installed them. I just, for the purpose of showing you, I just take one and then I'm going to tell you. Actually, uh, they didn't come with this bracket. They didn't come with that support. The support was in the box, so I just did it myself, and you know each camera has a one support like this to install them in the wall where you are going to put them. So and also same for the panel, same for the solar panel. They have their own support. They have their own bracket, if I can call it this way, because when you install the camera, you will install the camera with the bracket. You put the bracket on, and then the solar panel will come on the side somewhere like that, for example, and then you plug this one in the camera somewhere here, like because here you will plug the solar panel right there. But because of rain or dust, they put this protector. You will have to plug it from, you will have to plug it here, and then the thing will not stay open. So I am not going to install them because I'm going to install them somewhere in the yard. But before, what they ask you to do in the booklet, they ask you to install, because those ones are wireless cameras. They are wireless Wi-Fi cameras. So if you install them in your house and then you have Wi-Fi in the house, you have the application on your telephone, you can access the video cameras, the security video cameras, from wherever you are. If there is Wi-Fi here in the house and they are connected to the Wi-Fi, the cameras are connected to the Wi-Fi, and then you are wherever you are in the world. If you have the application on your phone, you can access your camera from home. So what I did, for example, the application is called EC Cloud. EC Cloud. So I downloaded the EC Cloud on the phone, and it will ask you to put on your email address. So you will choose which email address you want to use, and you will choose a password. After that, the application will open. When the application open, what it will ask you, you will turn on Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. You will start setting up each cameras. The application will ask you for the first camera. You can decide what name you're going to when you add that camera. When you turn it on, they're both going to talk to you. The application will talk, the camera will talk. So what I did, I installed them. What I did, I called them, I give them a name, camera 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I add them like that. If your Wi-Fi, it's a very easy process to install your camera. So next time, when I am putting them, maybe when I finish installing them, I will just show you the video how, I did it. So this is one of the things when you move to a new house that doesn't have the security camera. So if you want to do it yourself, you can do it. Because I was talking to a guy who does who installs security cameras, and I think he asked me about $800 to come and install cameras for me. But this one, I think I bought it for about $200 or $300, and then I'm going to install it myself, and then it's pretty easy. It's just now to find the location in the house, outside of the house, where to install them, because I already installed them on my app, and then it's just to show where I'm going to put them, because it's pretty easy to do. So remember to subscribe, to share, to like, and to comment our videos. We'll show you next time what we are going to do with the boxes that I showed you in the previous video about vegetables that I'm going to plant in those boxes. You will see the growth, and you will see the activities also. And then also I will give you some tips when you are doing your gardening. If you are not a gardener, you want to start your own thing, it's pretty easy if you are living either in Africa or in America or Europe. So for us, the thing is, we have summer all year. The sun is shiny every year, every day, even if it rains. At some point during the day, you might see the sun before the end of the day. So stay tuned for more videos. My name is Pierre. Remember to subscribe, to share, to like, and to comment our videos.